friends, for today's Shahi butter paneer recipe, I'm heating some oil in a pan, about half a tablespoon. Now since it is butter paneer, we're going to be adding about 1 teaspoon of butter. We're cooking on a low to medium flame. So once our oil and butter mixture is nice and hot, we're going to be adding some finely chopped ginger and garlic. Now here I'm using about half an inch of ginger and about 3 small cloves of garlic. Finely chop all of this well together, and we're going to fry this till the rawness of the garlic goes away. Now next goes in the paste of 1 medium-sized onion. Well, all you have to do is just take an onion, chop it up, put it into your mixer or blender pot till you get a nice fine paste. We're going to fry this well too till the rawness of the onion goes away. Now what you can do is you can keep all your ingredients ready. In that way your dish will be ready very fast. It has very few ingredients. Now next goes in the paste of 1 very small tomato. So in the same manner, I have taken 1 small tomato, diced it up and put it into my blender pot till I got a nice fine and smooth paste. So we're going to fry all of this well. Now it's time for some Indian spices. First goes in 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder. This is homemade roasted cumin or jeera powder. You just have to lightly roast your cumin seeds, and once they're cool, just grind them into a powder. Similarly, I'm going to be adding about 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. I've done the same thing. I've just taken coriander seeds, roasted them on a low flame, and once they've cooled down, just ground them up into a very fine powder. So we're going to fry all of this well till everything comes together. Next goes in some spiciness. So that's 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. And we're going to also add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder because we're looking for a nice reddish orange color for this dish. And that's what the Kashmiri red chili powder does. It adds a lovely color to our paneer dish. So we're going to fry all of this nicely. And you'll also see that as you fry it, you'll see the butter and the oil oozing out of this mixture. That's also very important and key to this recipe. Now I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of some crushed kasuri methi. Kasuri methi is always added to most of the paneer dishes. It gives a lovely flavor to the dish. So fry all of this well. And now you can see the oil and the butter oozing out of the mixture. That is a sign that our mixture is really very well fried. And it has a lovely color too. Now we're just going to add about 1 teaspoon of some tomato ketchup. This is a very easy and quick dish to prepare. And it's made of mostly out of ingredients that we regularly do have in our kitchen. If you're not a big fan of paneer, you can add some veggies. Now we're going to add some salt to taste. I've added about 3/4 of a teaspoon. And now we're going to add some cashew nut paste. Now what I've done is I've taken about 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts and soaked them in some very hot water for about 15 minutes. And using the water as well as the cashew nuts, I've ground them into this very fine paste. Ensure that there are no bits of the cashew nuts, so put it into your mixer pot and blend it to a very fine paste. That's very key to the recipe. It adds a lovely flavor as well as some thickness to the gravy. And now you can see that the dish has got a lovely color, a very reddish orange color. Now, since we want a gravy, we're going to add about 1/2 cup of water. Stir well, mix everything well together. And at this point, you can taste and see whether you require some salt or you require some more chili powder. And you have to taste before adding the paneer. So this is the right time to see whether you need to season it more or increase the spiciness. And now we're just going to add our paneer cubes. This is homemade paneer. I will leave a link in my description box of how to make paneer at home. It's very simple. So go to my description box and check it out, or I'll leave another link in the comments too as to how to make homemade paneer or cottage cheese, Indian cottage cheese. So give all of this a mix very gently, ensuring that the paneer pieces don't crumble. And now we're just going to cover this and cook it on a low to medium flame for about 5 minutes so everything comes together. And after 5 minutes, our dish is all ready. And now all you have to do is just garnish it with a few sprigs of fresh cilantro or coriander. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do try it out. It's a big favorite at our home. I'm sure you guys will love it too. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you really enjoyed watching this recipe. And if you've tried it out and liked it, then do give it a big thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel and join the Akshatas recipes family by just hitting the red subscribe button that you see below this video. And once you have subscribed, do not forget to ring the little golden bell, so every time I put up a new video on my channel, you will get a notification of the same. Please go and visit Akshatas recipes. I have more than 200 recipes and quite a few vlogs where you get to know me better. So go ahead, enjoy this recipe, check out my channel, share my recipes with family and friends. And to everyone who is watching my videos and subscribing to my channel, a big thank you from the bottom of my heart. Let's see what comes up next on Akshatas recipes, so stay tuned. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.